Did you ever start building your lead generation lists and didn't know how to find a valid email? If the answer is yes, stay with me till the end of the video. For example, we will take the already prepared list of investors. Before we start, go to Google and download Name2 Email Chrome extension. Links will be provided in the description. Name2 Email is a lightweight Chrome plugin that allows you to find anyone's email address right from Gmail. After explaining what Name2 Email Chrome extension does, let's open one of the email permutator sites. I will use MailMeter. Go back to the LinkedIn profile of the targeted person and find company domain from one company he works for. Then copy the first and last name of the targeted person and their company domain into email permutator. Click to generate email address. Now we have all variants of emails that will pass into Gmail to check if there is some image of the person associated with email. If the image shows up, it's most likely that email is valid. But for every case we will take an extra step to check if the email address is valid. For the second step, we will use Hunter.io. Hunter.io is all-in-one email outreach platform tool that helps marketers find the contact information associated with any domain. This is ideal for companies that use cold emailing as a way to fill their pipeline. Furthermore, Email Hunter can be used to verify emails and do bulk tasks. The basic plan comes with 25 searches and 50 verifications monthly. They offer pro versions. Links will be in the description so you can check. Now let's return to our email verification process. We will navigate to the dashboard and utilize the verifier option. After pasting the email and clicking on Verify, we will receive a report indicating whether the email is valid or not. In this instance, the email is 100% valid and secure. After ensuring that the email is valid, we will enter it into Google Sheet and mark it as safe to send. And in order to ensure that you retain the entire process, let us persistently continue watching to observe 2 more examples. After we complete the process for 2 more emails, you can see that one of them has a confidence rate of only 41%. That email has to accept all status. Accept all emails may still bounce, so whether you want to send them or not depends on the bounce rate you are willing to have. In general, the bounce rate of the accept all emails in your list is around half the invalid rate of your full list. For instance, if 10% of the emails in your list are invalid, around 5% of the accept all emails in the list may bounce. This could be tricky and you will need to decide if you want to send it or not. I decided to mark this email as not safe to send. This would be all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, take care, and stay tuned for more videos.